Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a facts about me video. Now, I've seen a lot of YouTubers do this video and I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity for you to get to know me a little bit better because I've been on YouTube since last April, is it? Or June? I can't remember. April, I think it was April. And I haven't really spoken about myself, so I thought this opportunity would be great to show you just a little about my life and about me, so it's kind of fun as well. So I will get started right away. I am half Italian. My mum is English. My dad is Italian. I've not seen my father since I was 8 years old. I was born on the same day as my sister, but she was born 5 years later. I was born on the 24th of March 1991. I hate mushroom. I hate garlic. I hate fish. I dislike Chinese, Thai and Indian food. I love having nice things, probably way too much. I have an obsession with the colour white. When I was little, my hair was in ringlets and was actually blonde, believe it or not. My hair fell out from bleaching my hair about 5 years ago. And I look like Eminem. I suffer very badly from anxiety. I probably seek approval from people way too much. I have suffered from an eating disorder. I don't drive. Even though I'm half Italian, I don't actually speak the language. I have broken all my ribs from falling about 5 years ago from a 2-story window. Literally all my ribs were broken and I was lucky to make it alive because the doctor actually said that, you know, my fractures were really quite severe. I once put a crumpet through my stepdad's exhaust pipe. This was a long time ago when in my rebellious stage with my best friend. We just thought it'd be really, really funny. I love Korean culture. I'd love to travel to Korea. I love Korea. I love K-pop. I love the makeup, just everything about Korea and Asian culture. I absolutely love. Love mukbangs, love I was going to say kimchi, but it's a hit and miss with me, but I'm trying to love it, but it's really difficult. I have a strange OCD with making my bed properly. I'll even wake up at 3:30 in the morning and just, if it doesn't feel right, I make it. It's really, really weird. I luckily escaped from being bitten by a dog when I was about 4 years old. Was I 4? Yeah, about 4. That really, really scarred me, so I don't like dogs. I'm 27 years old and will soon be 28 next month. No, actually, this month, in a couple of weeks. My favourite movie when I was little was The Witches. And I used to recite all the lyrics, you know, the big bar of chocolate. I used to say it all the time like an idiot. My favourite food is chips and salsa. I have gone from having a lot of friends to having just a small amount of close friends. And I think as you get older, that's more important to you. I think having a lot of friends... Oh no! It's very important to be kind of accepted, and that's what you do when you're younger, don't you? You kind of see if you can have as many friends as you can, but I think as you get older, the smaller amount of friends, the, you know, quality over quantity, you realise that not everyone's actually your friends, so the friends that you do have are really, really precious in your life. I'm absolutely shit with money. Really, really bad. I wish I lived in America. I have suffered from bullying at school. I would love to create a campaign for people who have been bullied and help them out, you know, because if I can do it, anyone can do it. I think bullying still happens to this day, and I'm actually glad that I'm not a kid in this kind of era because it's the social media is so crazy, and we didn't really have social media when we were little. We had kind of friendship sites, but it was nothing like it was kind of lately. So yeah, I would love to just create a campaign and just support people that need, you know, help. I am scared of heights. I have a corner in my house and it's called the Chanel Shrine. So I have like lots of Chanel things. I love Chanel. I love designer things. So yeah, it's a bit pretentious, but I don't care. I actually love to dance and I would have loved to have done this professionally if I had the chance. I'm not very good at understanding movies, so my boyfriend has to literally narrate everything that happens because my attention span is so short. So I really struggle with that. I have an obsession with water bottles. That's really, really strange, but I like water bottles. I love Fiji bottles. This is this new bottle that I bought, and it's kind of yesterday actually, and it's a dumbbell. I'll show you actually. It's so cool. This is the water bottle, and I just absolutely love it. I mean, what a cool idea to have like a dumbbell. And it tastes like grapefruit. Really nice. I think it's so cool. Sorry. I love reality TV shows, and my current obsession is the Lindsay Lohan show, Lindsay Lohan's Beach House. Yeah, I think that's called Beach House. I love that show. I love Lindsay Lohan. I think she's so cool. I love winter because of the fashion. I love boots. I love kind of coats and wrapping up warm and skinny jeans. I love all that. I love relaxing after a hard day at work, or, you know, whatever I'm doing. I love to just put YouTube on, get lots of food and just chill out and have my kind of me time. I just love to just be really cozy and just relax. I love that. That's literally, I'd put that above going out these days. I am getting a slight obsession with lip fillers, in case you haven't noticed. So this is like my newfound obsession. I have an addictive personality, which I'm sure you've kind of presumed already. I had an umbilical hernia when I was 18 years old, and this happened through dancing. It kind of just popped out and I had to have day surgery. I do smoke and I do need to stop, and I am actually stopping. I'm having like half a cigarette. I'm having like 3 cigarettes a day, which is amazing. I'm normally having about 12 a day, and I'm having them in like half, so it kind of lasts longer. I take too many things to heart, which I do. I'm very sensitive. I am very sensitive. I am terrible at understanding jokes. So there we have it, that's my facts about me. I hope you've enjoyed them and you've kind of understood more about my life. Some were kind of fun, some are more serious, but yeah. I hope you really enjoyed the video. It's just a bit of fun, really. Please let me know anything else you'd like to know from me. You know, just ask me some questions. I'd love to get to know you all on a more personal level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn the notification bell on to be notified when I next upload. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.